Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred. Please try login again in iPhone and as well as Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates. Now check the list. Is there any update available for Facebook? If there is, then we have to update the Facebook app first. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If you're still facing the same issue, then we move to other solutions. First, launch settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then tap on Facebook, offload app. After offload the app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, go back to App Store and re-download the Facebook app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then launch Chrome browser and search for Facebook. Now use the first link. After that, put your email ID and password and try to log in Chrome browser. If not work, then tap forget password and change your Facebook password. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.